Name the person who negotiated the canal water dispute between India and Pakistan. Ayub Khan. Sindh and Multan were conquered by Muhammad bin Qasim under the reign of the Islamic Caliph Walid bin Abdul Malik. Hazrat Ali Hajvari, popularly known as Hazrat Data Genj Bakhsher, belonged to Suhrawardiya order. Fatwa-e Handari was written by Zia-ud-din Barani. Under the Mughals, capital of the Lower Sindh was Thitha. Kashmir was included into the Mughal Empire of Delhi in October 1586. In a battle near Peshawar, Jaipal was defeated by Mahmud of Ghazni in 1001. The Battle of Plassey firmly established the British rule in Bengal. When presidential form of constitution was imposed March 1, 1962. The Qutb-ul-Islam Mosque was built by Ghiyas-ud-din Balban, who contributed largely to the spread of Islam in Bengal. Shahabuddin Suhrawardi. Syed Ahmad Shahid fell martyr in 1831 at Balakot, NWFP. The Scientific Society was founded in 1864 at Ghazipur. In 1946 elections, the All India Muslim League got 100% seats in the Central Assembly and over 88.8% seats in the provincial assemblies. The Second Summit Conference of the Ode Ali Hajvari, popularly known as Hazrat Data Genj Bakhsher, belonged to Suhrawardiya order. Fatwa-e Handari was written by Zia-ud-din Barani. Under the Mughals, capital of the Lower Sindh was Thitha. Kashmir was included into the Mughal Empire of Delhi in October 1586. In a battle near Peshawar, Jaipal was defeated by Mahmud of Ghazni in 1001. The Battle of Plassey firmly established the British rule in Bengal. When presidential form of constitution was imposed March 1, 1962. The Qutb-ul-Islam Mosque was built by Ghiyas-ud-din Balban, who contributed largely to the spread of Islam in Bengal. Shahabuddin Suhrawardi. Syed Ahmad Shahid fell martyr in 1831 at Balakot, NWFP. The Scientific Society was founded in The Scientific Society was founded in 1864 at Ghazipur. In 1946 elections, the All India Muslim League got 100% seats in the Central Assembly and over 88.8% seats in the provincial assemblies. The Second Summit Conference of the OIC was held in 1974 at Lahore. The Ashrarus Sanadid was compiled by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The Central Muhammadan Association was founded by Syed Amir Ali. The Muhammadan Literary Society of Calcutta was founded by Syed Amir Ali. Mr. Jinnah returned from England in year October 1935 to reorganize the AIML. The Indus Water Basin Treaty was signed in the year September 19, 1960. The Alai Darwaza is situated at Delhi. Baba Farid Ganj Shaker was a saint of Kishtiya Silsila. Arhai Din Kahjahanpura was a mosque. Anjumani Himayat Islam was established in the year 1884. UWW. Muhammad bin Qasim was called back by Walid bin Abdul Malik. Prithvi Raj was defeated by Muhammad Gauri in 1192 AD at the Battle of Tarayan. Khilji dynasty was founded by Jalal-ud-din Firoz Khilji. The RCD was brought about in 1964 among Pakistan, Iran, Turkey. The first and second presidents of the First Constituent Assembly of Pakistan were M. A. Jinnah and C. H. Muhammad Ali respectively. Paroda and EDBO were promulgated in 1949 and in 1958 respectively. The All Indian Muhammadan Educational Conference was founded in 1886. Tahzeeb-ul Akhlaq was started in 1867. The Queen's Proclamation was made in 1858. The author of Mission with Mountbatten, Campbell Johnson. The Federal Shariat Court was established in June 25, 1980. Khusrau Malik was the governor of Lahore. Sindh was conquered by Muhammad Ghori in 1182. Humayun was born at Kabul. Peacock throne was erected by Shah Jahan. Pur Committee was formed in 1937 and was headed by Raja Muhammad Mehdi of Pur. Bahadur Shah II was the supreme commander of the rebellious armies in the War of Independence, 1857. Hyderabad Deccan surrendered to India on September 17, 1948. Peshawar was captured by Syed Ahmad Shahid in 1830. Government of Indian Act, 1935 came into operation in 1937. Muhammad bin Qasim captured the city Dabhol in 712 AD. The temple of Somnath was situated near the peninsula of Gujarat. Arabic coinage was first introduced in Indian by Jalaluddin Firoz. Khilji dynasty was established by Alauddin Khilji. Babur, the founder of Mughal dynasty, died in 1530 AD at Delhi. The biggest mosque built by Shah Jahan is located at Delhi. Red Fort of Delhi was built by Shah Jahan. Shabir Ahmad Usmani was the first president of Jamiat-e-Ulama-e-Islam. Yahya Khan became the chief martial law administrator on March 25, 1969. The institution of the Federal Ombudsman was created in January 13, 1983. The lovely Modi Masjid is located at Agra. Mahmud Ghaznavi is described as the first pioneer and pathfinder for Islam in this country by Lane Poole. Buland Darwaza commemorates Akbar's conquest of Gujarat. Behzad was a famous Persian painter. The real names of Nawab Mohsin ud Mulk and Nawab Vikarul Mulk are Mehdi Ali Khan and Mushtaq Hussain respectively. The Zamindar and Comrade newspapers were edited by Maulana Zafar Ali Khan and Maulana Muhammad Ali Jauhar respectively. Liaquat Ali Khan was martyred by Said Muhammad. Punjab was given the status of a province on April 1, 1970. The Kanpur Mosque incident took place on August 3, 1913. Police firing on Coxers in Lahore took place on March 19, 1940. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the Prime Minister of India at the time of Tashkent Declaration. Muhammad bin Qasim appointed Alafi as his advisor. Old name of Pakpatan was Ajudan. The tomb of Babur is situated at Kabul. Akbar was born at Umarkot. The author of Safinat-ul-Awliya was Dara Shikoh. Mumtaz Mahal gave birth to 14 children. Maulana Azad's real name was Abu al-Kalam. Hamdard was published by Ali Jauhar. Lord Linlithgow was the Viceroy of India during the Second World War. Defence Council was formed on April 1, 1948. Liaquat Ali Khan went to America in May 1950. The Simla Agreement was signed on July 3, 1972. Myth of Independence was written by Z. A. Bhutto. Author of My Brother is Miss Fatima Jinnah. Eighth Amendment in the Constitution of 1973 was made in 1985. The real name of Noor Jahan was Mar Nisa. Haran Minar was built by Jahangir. The tomb of Qutbuddin Aibak is in Lahore. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan went to England along with his son named Syed Mahmud. Nawab Abdul Latif founded Muhammadan Literary Society in the YEAR 1863. The founder of Islamia College Peshawar was Sahibzada Abdul Qayyum. The author of the book Two Nation Theory is Shafiq Ali Khan. The author of the book Political System of Pakistan is Khalid bin Saeed.